Hello friends, here we will learn about what are PC errors and provide some of the solution to handle them. What is a PC error? A software bug is an error, flaw or mistake in a computer system that produces an incorrect or unexpected result. Most bugs arise from mistakes and errors made by people in either a program's source code or its design. Imagine that you are sitting on your computer playing your favorite game or working on a deadline project. Then suddenly, Windows freezes totally. Your OS is dead until you restart it. All your work is gone, disconnected from the digital world and finding a blue screen that has a message that you don't understand. The problem might be the computer is unable to start up. If the computer does not turn on when you press the power button, the following suggestion may help you. First of all, check if the computer is plugged on properly. Plug another electrical device into the outlet to be sure that the outlet is providing adequate power. Other cause might be the program is not responding. This error comes in all Windows versions through error messages and options vary slightly for every operating system. You might be tempted to click on End Now or close the program. However, it is recommended to give the program an opportunity to finish what it's doing. An error may be that you cannot uninstall a program. Wordings on this error message may vary depending on the kind of program. This can be fixed with just few simple steps. First, reinstall the program. It will replace the uninstallation file. Other is secure an uninstaller removing tool to assist you in dealing those distressful applications. The computer is on but it is not responding. If the computer is turned on but not responding to software or keyboard commands, then it must be frozen. Press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds. It will be turned off, then restart your computer. Other error is hard disk making noise while it is processing. The causes may be unstabilized power supply. You may want to check it for the loose contact. However, it is one of those fatal errors where it may create bad sector or weak hard disk. You may be running out of memory. Restart the computer, which flushes out everything in the memory. Another error is the computer screen is blank. First, check if the monitor is plugged into a power outlet and is connected to the computer securely. If the power light is not on, it means that the outlet is not delivering the power. Fixing the power outlet in such cases should help you. Another error is an external device like a mouse is not working. If an external device does not function as expected, turn it on according to the manufacturer's instruction. One of the causes is that correct device drivers are not installed on the system. This is a common error when you are surfing the web. It is an error message showing that a resource was not found on a particular website. You may need to retry the web page by pressing F5, clicking the refresh or reload button, or trying the URL from the address bar again. So here we have learned some of the PC errors and ways to solve them. Thank you.